Bro, supposedly AI can cough now. Here's a vid.
These shields. How
I'm like, bro, WTF? Like it's BC AI is getting way too human. They need to fix this, bro. I don't want my AI person when I'm studying and they just go like cough, cough, like bro. That's a next level of human A right there. Like just imagine just AI reading a story to you, then you just hear it, cough. That's creepy right there. And like, it's like nobody cares, like the people who designed it, and like I'm barely surviving viruses right now. Like, who wants their AI coughing? That's really creepy. Like robots are gonna destroy the world or something. And that's not even the start of it. Like someone heard their AI sneezing. I'm like, is the world gonna end or something? Bro, I'm like, am I even gonna exist when this happens? AI is getting way out of hand. Like, bro, AI sneezing, AI coughing, AI robots, like it's like AI everything nowadays. That's it for today. Like, subscribe, and I'm out. Shedleski out.